G'day guys, here's another video. Recently got a new bike, the GT Force, and thanks Wes at West End Cycles for organising everything, and yeah. So starting at the front of the bike with the WTB wheel set, the Onza Citrus tyres and the white walls, then the RockShox Yari 160mm fork, which with these you can plough through rock gardens super easy and just bomb through the roots and all that. And then got the TRP slate brakes with the race face bars and stem, and stock GT lock-on grips. And also with the frame, I'm pretty happy with the colour, and it seems to hold up pretty well. And then I've also got the RockShox Deluxe coil, WTB seat and X-Vision dropper. Moving to the drivetrain, we've got SRAM NX Eagle derailleur with the descendant cranks and one-up chain guard, and I'm also running clips.
What about the back tyre?
Oh, whatever. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more bike check videos, and thanks West End Cycles for making this bike possible. Stay tuned for more.